have Coke Lemon.
I don't like cherry or that.
They have vanilla, cherry vanilla.
Yeah, this is like the first time they actually have everything.
Yeah, boys.
So many stuff.
Woo.
Cherry vanilla.
And that's lime.
Come on.
Oh yeah, you know, remember
no,
how
you
I
have to
told you
push the
there was the
button.
Five Guys in New York, like the one that I went to at
I don't
Grandma's
like it.
place? Yeah, that's the one
I
that
want
has this
vanilla.
machine. She does realize that, right? Okay. I'm gonna go first because I'm better than line.
Oh my gosh, stop being so picky. Picky.
Okay, I got ice.
You're supposed to push that button.
No.
傻瓜.
Reading. I like reading. So,
Stupid. I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
That's a little too much.
yeah, Ryan.
I'm
What
sorry.
are my feelings, man?
I'm apologizing. Oh.
Kind of.
You know, last time I got sick because I drank the cola.
It gets right now.
Alright, guys.
Haven't won.